So welcome back. Now it's time to create the active nav link and create the top nav bar. You see we have the nav bar over here and we wanna create a nav bar, and when we will navigate it will be active. Right now we are doing it manually. Say blocks. So we are doing it manually, or about nested. So it's not good user experience. We need to have some navigation over here. So to do that, this should be the folder structure. So we want to create a components and nav over here like that way. Okay, you can see here. So let's go. So inside, not in the app, inside source, create components, and inside components, create, it is inside source. Okay, create nav, inside nav, create topNav .tsx, and we create a navbar for that. Okay, so fc topNav, and for that, first of all, we need to create a nav, and inside nav there should be a we can give it a link, link component. It's coming from the next link next link, and it should have a href, and it is for home page. So it is home page, I mean localhost 3000. It should be just on slash and give it home. So do it 3 or 4, and another one is about, another one is blocks, and say another one is contact, or what the pages we have we want to navigate in between. Blocks, or say products. So about should be about, you see the about. Blocks should be blocks, and products should be products. Okay, let's see whether we are getting it or not. Before that, we need to include the topNav components, topNav inside our app layout. Okay, so before header we are including it. topNav is coming from top. So this is topNav, and it is coming from components nav topNav. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we are getting home, about, blocks, products. Yeah, we are getting everything, but it's bare minimum. It's ugly as no design is over here. So I am adding some styles by Tailwind CSS. So link or nav class name, say flex space export bg gray 100 feet padding 4. Let's see whether it is applying. Yeah, we get some little bit of styling. and inside link class name. Before imposing class name, we need another thing. We want to, you see, everything is as usual. There is no difference. I am clicking blog. Blog is like that way. About is same. Home is same. Product is, so I cannot differentiate or distinguish which on I am clicking. So I wanna have some differentiation or different color whenever I will click. See, if I click about, it color will be different. If I click home, it color will be different. If I click blocks, it color will be different. If I click products, it color will be different, but rest of the things will different color. So one will unique, one must have unique color. Okay. So for that, what we need path name. Const path name. Okay, it will come from use path name. It will come from React navigation. Okay, but it will give error. You will see it will give error. You are importing a component that use path name, this React hook only client component. Okay, as by default every component is server component, but this is client component. So for that we need use client. Okay, then your error will be solved. So let's see what we are getting inside the path name. Console.log. So I'm getting home. When I click home, I will get just slash. When I click about, I will get slash about. When I click blocks, I'm getting just blocks. When I click products, I'm getting. So path name is returning me the slash path name, the navigation, the routes, the file-based routing. Okay, so I have understand what I am getting. So now what I need const is active equal to path and arrow function path name is equal to path. Okay, so it's giving TypeScript error. So path name, so what I am getting, and path I am using inactive is active inside. You will understand a little bit later. So as it is TypeScript, so it's crying, so satisfy it by declaring is as a string. So inside link I want to declare class name. So if it is active if it is slash, then I want to show on color. I want to show text blue 500 font bold. Okay, otherwise I want to show text gray 700. Okay, okay, and I am applying same thing everywhere. And if it is about, I'm applying it here. If it is about, if it is, what is it about? The same thing. If it is about, if it is blocks, and if it is product, if it is products. So I hope you got the point. So if is active like that, as we have, can you remember what we are getting? I can show you once again by console logging. Path name console dot log path name. So if it is dot products, products is becoming blue, and rest of the things are black. If it is blocks, blog is becoming blue and bold. Rest of the things are as usual. If it is about, so can you understand? If it is about it, and it will come from is active and path name. Okay, so this path is active, this path is about, and this path is about. This is becoming similar. Okay, so I am saying you this is active parameters. Okay, so this is meaning that uh, like that path is becoming is active. When I click path is becoming about, and from path name I am getting, from path name I am getting about, this about, and this becoming similar. So when it is similar, then it will become active and its color will be blue and font bold. Otherwise its color will be gray. So I'm giving it here so that you can easily understand. So path is, this path is about, and this path name is about. It is becoming similar. If not similar, then different color. It's saying that. So we are done. So all our things are working, and this is the good user experience, you see, and it is single page rendering, no page loads. But before that, when you do that, it was page, it was reloading, it was page loading. But when I click that, this is single page application, so no page load, and it's rendering very quickly, you see. And this is the expected behavior, and this is the good user experience. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that will make sense. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, share with your friends, and let the world know that good and comprehensive Next.js tutorial is going to happen in the channel. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.